In this video we'll talk about Kepple, or previously known as QLC, or the QLC chain. We'll talk about it and why it has been very bullish over the last few weeks even. We went up from around, as you can see, 1.5 cents to where we are right now, around 7 cents. So that's a huge gain. In total, we can quickly check that out. In total, it's a move of like where we are right now, 340%. I'll tell you why that's happening, why that's going on, and if we can actually get up even higher. So let's get right into it. First of all, as I said, it used to be QLC. The token name is still QLC, but it's rebranded to Kepple. Volume is not that high. Market cap is still very low. I mean, the market cap was extremely low when we actually started this entire rally. I mean, you can see that the market cap was around 4 million. So you don't need that much volume to get the market cap up even more. And even right now, it's still a low market cap gem, if you would like to call it that. The main reason why it's bullish like this, and also the main reason why it has been bullish like this earlier as well in September, is because Kepple is most likely soon going to get a BUSD pair on Binance. Now, why does that matter? Would you ask? And I would ask the same question back when I did not know that was a thing, or back when it started, back when like Binance was doing a lot of new BUSD pairs. I was like, well, why does this make a crypto more bullish or not? And it doesn't really matter why that's the case. The thing is, it does. Usually when a crypto gets a BUSD listing, I'll show you some examples, for example. Or usually when it gets a BUSD pair, what will happen is that the crypto will become very bullish, like we've seen with BHB. BHB went up from 30 cents, also beginning of September, 30 cents up to $2.2. We've also seen it with Oaks, for example. Also was very, very bullish. And usually what happens is that it has a spike and then it drops back down. So the same thing is what people are anticipating with QLC. The thing with QLC is, though, is that it has already been very bullish. Well, it doesn't have the BUSD pair yet. So what I think is, I mean, that puts us in a weird situation, right? And apart from that, it is also just a valid project as well. I would definitely recommend you to check that out. But it puts us in a weird situation because we have already had a 300% move. Will we actually get up even more once we get that BUSD listing? I think so, but I do think that the potential has decreased a little bit. I mean, I'm not going to be able to predict where we could go. I mean, we could go to like 12.5 cents. That seems like a fair level to aim for. But for now, we're actually getting, I mean, we're actually at the levels we were back in September when we also had this move waiting for that BUSD pair. So what I expect now is that, sure, we're finding resistance right here at like 6.5, 7 cents even. I think we're going to go up to 7.5 and 7.6 cents, which is a very strong psychological but also technical level. And I think from there, we're going to actually fall a little bit. I don't think it's going to be easy to break through that. I think we're going to fall at least down to this level right here between like 6 and 6.3 cents. Then if we can actually hold that and break above 7 cents or something again, then sure, we could get up to 8.5 and 9 cents. But I'll probably make an update on that, because it could also very well be that from 7.5 and 7.6 will actually drop down quite a bit, and that we won't get back up to those levels until we get that real BUSD pair. So this is what I expect for now, and then from 7.6, 7.5, I think we're going to drop down at least to like 6.2, 6 cents. But what happens from there, to me, is still a little bit unclear. So I'll be back with another update on that soon, at least if you think that's interesting. But for now, that's my take on Kepple. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.